It started as a loud argument. No one laid a hand on anybody, just frustration, yelling, and then a neighbor called the cops. Next thing you know, police are knocking at the door, and then you're being separated, questioned, and somebody's getting arrested. That's exactly what happened to one of my clients who was accused of domestic assault. No injuries, no violence, just an argument in a heated moment. But in Tennessee, that's all it takes for police to make an arrest or for prosecutors to file charges. And all of a sudden, you find yourself falsely accused of domestic violence and your world is turned upside down. And what you do next determines whether this stays as a misunderstanding or turns into a permanent domestic violence conviction that follows you around for years. See, domestic assault in Tennessee isn't just a personal matter. It's a criminal offense, a Class A misdemeanor that can lead to jail time, protective orders, firearm restrictions, job loss, and a permanent criminal record. But here's the part that shocks most people. The victim doesn't even have to press charges. Once law enforcement officers make an arrest, the state can move forward with prosecution with or without the victim's cooperation. And once those bond conditions of no contact or protective order are in place, one phone call, text, or even showing up back at your own house can get you arrested, thrown back in jail, and facing a whole new set of charges for violating those conditions. In this video, I'll walk you through what a domestic assault charge means under Tennessee law, how the court system handles it, and what steps you must take right away to avoid a conviction and protect your future. I'm Andrew Beasley, your Tennessee criminal defense attorney, and I help people every day defend against accusations like domestic assault and other serious charges. In Tennessee, domestic assault doesn't just mean hitting someone. It can include pushing, grabbing, yelling, throwing something, or even just threatening someone in a way they perceive as dangerous. You don't need visible injuries or witnesses to be charged, and the officer only needs probable cause, not proof beyond a reasonable doubt. One of the biggest misconceptions is, she said she's not going to press charges, so I'm good. Wrong. In Tennessee, the Assistant District Attorney General controls the case, not the victim. They can and often do proceed even if the victim wants to drop the case or recants, especially in emotionally charged situations or high conflict situations, as we discussed earlier. And what most people don't realize is this: you can be barred from your partner, your home, or even seeing your kids before you've ever had a chance to say a word in court. One violation of a no contact, even something as minor as sending a text saying "I'm sorry," can lead to a new arrest and new charges. To make matters worse, domestic assault convictions are not eligible for expungement in Tennessee. You get one shot to handle this the right way. We've helped clients get charges reduced, dismissed, or resolved through pretrial diversion, especially when the cases involve mutual conflict, unclear evidence, or inconsistent statements. You see, with the right legal strategy, you don't have to plead guilty just because you were arrested, but it is on you to take the right steps to build your defense. And the first thing someone in a situation like this should do is contact an attorney and start exploring all your options. If you or someone you know is facing charges like this or similar, contact our office today. We'll help to walk you through all your options.